Hello my dear students, good morning or good evening, whatever you feel connected with us. My dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are very well. Dear students, in the previous lecture, we have studied example number 1 of exercise 4.2. In this lecture, we will start from example number 1 part 2. Let's start without further any delay. What is second part? A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each day in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of the toys produced in a day. And we don't know what is the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the cost of production was rupees 750. Production cost was rupees 750. Okay, we would like to find out the number of toys produced on that date. The number of toys produced that day be X, then cost will be 55 minus X. On a particular day, the cost of production was rupees 750, means 750 is the total cost of a day. That's why we have write down here, let the number of toys produces that day X, then cost will be 55 minus X, and total production cost will be X multiply 55 minus X. Okay, X is the number of toys and 55 minus X is the cost of each product. Okay, if we multiply to both the terms, we will find the total production cost. Now according to the question, we have given total production cost is rupees 750. Now here we can write X into 55 minus X. X into 55 minus X is equal to 750. Okay, this is the number of toys, this is the cost of each product, each toy, and if we multiply both the numbers, we will find the total production cost of each day. Now here we can multiply X multiply 55, this will be 55X, and X multiply minus X, this will be minus X square, is equal to 750. Or we can write here 0, X square is negative, this will be positive in right side, 55X is positive, this will be negative, 55X, 750 is positive. 0 equal to this term, or we can write this term is equal to 0. X square minus 55X plus 750 is equal to 0. Now we have this quadratic equation. Okay, we can solve this equation by the method of factorization. Here the constant term is 750. We can find the factor of 750. Let's find out 750. We can cancel by 2. 2 3 ja 6. 1 and 5 15, 2 7 ja 14, and 1 0 10, 2 5 ja 10. Okay, now we can cancel 7 3 10 and 5 15. We can cancel by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 5 ja 15. 5 25, 5 1 ja 5. Okay, now we can adjust to these factors. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, and 5 5 ja 25. this is 25 and this is 30. 30 multiply 25 will be 750. Okay, and 30 plus 25, this will be 55. Here we can solve x square minus, instead of 55 we can write 30 plus 25 into x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now we can write x square minus x multiply 30, this will be 30x, and because of this negative sign this will be minus 30x. X multiply 25, this will be 25x, and because of this negative sign this will be minus 25x, plus 750 is equal to 0. Now we have these four terms 1 2 3 4. We can take x as a common from first two terms. After taking x as a common we get x minus 30. Okay, now from these two terms we can take minus 25 as a common. Here we get x minus 30 is equal to 0. 25 multiply x, this will be minus 25x. Minus 25 multiply minus 30, this will be plus 750. Okay, now here x minus 30, x minus 30, this is common. Here we can write x minus 25 is equal to 0. If x minus 30 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 30. If x minus 25 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 25. If 30 is the number of toys, then we can say that 45 minus x means 45 minus 30, this will be 25. 25 will be the cost of each toy produces in a day. Okay students, this was the part number 2 of example number 1. Now we start question number 3.